Welcome to Moo Moo Math and Science. In this video, let's learn how to convert the decimal 0.01 into a fraction. Let's begin by just placing this decimal over 1. We now need to get rid of this decimal, and we can do this by moving it 2 places to the right. In order to do that, we need to multiply it by 100. Okay? Because remember, decimals, it goes tens, then hundreds, then thousands. It does not start with a 1. Okay? So what we do to the numerator, we must complete to the denominator. So let's also multiply that by 100. When we do that, this decimal, 0.01 times 100 equals 1. Okay, because remember, we're moving the decimal places 2 places to the right. And then 1 times 100 is 100. At this point, we cannot simplify any further because of the 1 is not divisible by anything other than itself. So 1/100th, or you could call it 0.01 as a fraction, equals 1/100th. I hope that was helpful.